Uncleroger.
Uncleroger reviewing Jamie Oliver egg fried rice.
1, 2, 3, go!
Fuiyoh!
Hey guys, that's a world record, huh? The longest Fuiyoh. Uncle Eric, give me your longest Fuiyoh. Okay, fantastic. So we want you guys to be over here. One more time reminder, if you're wearing masks, if you've got a backpack, it'd be nice if we can put them on the ground. Unless you're really sick.
Yeah. And of course, we'll let you know when the counting starts. We'll let
So Stuart, nice one you guys. And if you have children around you, just keep an eye on them, okay? Let's do this together again.
Fuiyoh watch my video, make some noise. Fuiyoh don't watch my video. You can't do it yourself, but anticipate the Guinness World Record. Remember this space. If you don't give us world record, remember this space. We're at parking lot. You park B2, C3, that's where you park. Oh, Uncleroger people following you. Any last one? Good morning, everyone. My job here today is to measure, officiate, and judge Uncleroger and his fans attempt for the Guinness World Record title of the largest gathering of people dressed as Uncleroger. I will now begin the official countdown. In 3, 2, 1, go! 10 seconds remaining. 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
So today, everyone at Pavilion Shopping Mall attempted the Guinness World Records title of the largest gathering of people dressed as Uncleroger. The record to beat for this attempt was 250. I can now confirm that with 388...
There we go.
One day, I'm gonna have my very own restaurant. That's a dream come true. But that's all thanks to niece and nephew. I'm going to really love you all. Worry, okay? If you like our food, leave 5-star review on Google. If you don't like our food, then it's made by Jamie Oliver. Auntie Helen, she dead now, she dead. And that another important woman in my life is Nephew Nigel, new girlfriend and fiance. Nephew Nigel, fiance. Please welcome Sabrina.
So famous.
Yeah.
Oh, ya Allah.
Good one.